Hey everyone, I'm having a DJI SPARK battery issue. It doesn't turn off. I dropped it into the water today. I just left it for a few minutes and I'm trying it again. The lights won't go off. So let me see my luck. I'm a morning person. Why I couldn't? Wow, I think it is working now. Oh my god, this is good. I just tried waiting for some time and then it looks like it's working now, which is good. I didn't do anything, I just left it for some time, left it to dry, and then it's working now. Thanks. Anyways, I was lucky enough, my battery is off now. I hope Spark starts working. I'll just wait for a couple of more hours. It just happened like 3 hours before. I've tried using the blower, tried every possible way to dry all the water out. I had kept it under the sun for some time. Hopefully it works. I'll keep you guys posted. Watch my next video what happens.